In 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW. If you haven't watched the previous vlog, the bumper is complete. So now it's gonna be about 8-ish degrees, which is like 46 degrees Fahrenheit for all of my American friends. But it's gonna be warm enough. I'm gonna get the front bumper put on, and I'm excited to see the car all back together. It's been way too long of looking at it without the front bumper, and it's just not appealing with the missing pieces. So first we're gonna get the underglow from XKGLOW put back onto the front bumper, get it wired up, and then we'll install the front bumper and make the car all complete again. I'm super excited, and I just want to see the car back together. It won't be complete, but it'll actually look like a completed car. First thing we got to do is take the front wheels off, get the inner fender liner taken out, because if you guys watched the getting the new windshield, which was destroyed in 5 minutes, that video, links above. If you watch that, you know that we had to put the inner fender liners on. We had to tie up the black plastic pieces up front so that they didn't blow off or cause any chafing when we drove it to the glass shop. So I've cut all the tie wraps off. Now we'll get the wheels taken off, get the inner fender liners taken out, and then we can get the XKGLOW installed and then get to the front bumper. So let's get these suckers removed. XKGLOW is all wired up, and now we will get the front bumper on. As you can see, we're working on some snow here. It's not completely melted, but it is fairly warm out. I wouldn't say I'd be comfortable without a block heater, but let's get this bumper back on, and then we'll be able to close the garage again and the car will be complete. So without further ado, let's throw this sucker back on.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Boy, does she look good now. Front end is all back together. It looks absolutely fantastic. Oh, it looks so good. The whole car together, it looks so good. Before I show you, I quickly made some new blocks for the car to sit on, and now it can show some serious tuckage at the back and some tuckage in the front. One reason I made the new stands for the wheels is so that I can actually set the car onto the new blocks and then take the quick jacks out of the way. It'll be easier to reinstall the side skirt extensions. That's why I made them. And basically, the car is going to sit at this height. I can take the quick jacks out and I'll have like 8 inches or so to actually put the side skirt extensions on. when I installed the side skirt extensions last time, it was really difficult because even at maximum inflation of the bags, the car doesn't sit that high, and it makes it really tough to actually install the side skirt extensions. So now it'll sit on the block, lots of room, make it way easier to get the side skirt extensions installed. Are you guys ready to see? Do you want to see the car completed, Quinn all back together in her natural form, looking super spicy? Well, I think you guys have waited long enough. In 3, 2, 1. There you go, guys. All back together. Neon accents and bars go together. Neon banner. What do you guys think of her all white? Man, is she clean. That's going to conclude today's vlog. A little bit short. I just wanted to get the bumper on. It's absolutely gorgeous out here now. The sun is shining. I had to take the block heater off and put a sweater on. It was so warm. It was really nice. It was good. I got the white wheels put back on. I got, the front bumpers done. The XKGLOW is all completely finished. And if you guys have stuck around for this long in the vlog, I completely appreciate it. We are about 80 subscribers away from giving one of you lucky subscribers an entire XKGLOW kit for your ride. All you have to do is follow the link below, go find the appropriate video, make sure you comment hashtag XKGLOW. If you don't comment, I can't enter you. You must go enter XKGLOW on this video, links above. But like that, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.